Hello guys! Today I'll make an unboxing of a smartwatch. A watch from Huawei. You can see the box. The box is strong. This is the specifications. The smartwatch is called Huawei Watch 2. I will open the box. You can use it with your smartphone. That's the purpose. With the application Wear OS by Google. Then you can start an download of Huawei application too. Here are the watch. You can see it. Smartwatch. It's already with all the things that he needs to work. The watch is already working. You can check what time is it. And here in the box we have the watch. It's a sports watch. Here you can check better. We have a touch screen. I'll touch the screen. With some statistics for fitness and the clocks. Here some functions and a lot of things you can use it. You have here two buttons. This is for the applications to select. You can select a lot of applications. Then if you put it to the side, you back to the watch. The screen have high definition. You can have here another button too, with exercise, configured to exercise. It's in Portuguese at this moment, the language of the software. You can choose it from multiple languages, and it's working at this moment with Sony Xperia XA1. We can have this bracelet with a lot of holes to adjust to any type of size. Here the minimum and the maximum. It's, like I said, it's a sports watch. Here back we have these connections to recharge the smartwatch. Here are three sensors to measure your beats, your steps, and another type of things. Here the normal way, and here you can check 583 steps. You can explore it by yourself. Here are the watch, and in the box you have it too. The design of the box is great. It's very great. Here in this box you have quick start guide. You have safety information and warranty card. Here you have the plug USB and the charger. In this type of watch, of smartwatch, we can see that all kind of labels have a different plug to charge the smartwatch. We don't have at this moment a procedure to make all the connectors equal. Like in phones we have micro USB, or at this moment USB Type-C, but in smartwatch we have a lot of different connections. Each label, each brand have her type of connection. Here you have the charger, Portuguese, and here the specifications are output 5 volts, 1 ampere. So this is what we have. And this is it. This is Huawei Watch 2. I will record more closer. You can change the type of the screen with different types of clocks. At this moment is an analog clock. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next movie. Bye.